How to recover your Bitcoin vault. If you lost your vault password, you cannot change or reset it. What you can do is to recover your Bitcoin and send it to another wallet. In order to recover your Nuri Bitcoin vault, you will need the wallet's main key, backup key, and the reference key. The main key and the backup key were generated upon creation of your wallet, and you wrote them down as a paper backup. You can find the reference key in your Bitcoin vault. Click on three dots here, and it will show you your reference key. To begin your Bitcoin recovery, you need to download Bitcoin Recovery Wizard. Click on the link provided here. If you are a Mac user, you need to download this file. If you have Windows operating system, then download this file. And finally, if you use Linux, you need to download this file. When the application is downloaded, you can install it on your computer and open it. Here, select the Non-Bitcoin Recoveries option. Select Non-Bitcoin Recoveries again in the next step. Under the coin name, select Bitcoin. Under the environment, choose Mainnet. Leave Key Recovery Service as it is. Now you will need your paper backup keys. There are 12 word seed phrases in the main key and 12 words in the backup key. If you click on the link here, it will open a private key recovery tool. Enter your main keywords in this section and backup keys in this section. All in lowercase, no commas needed. When you are done, click on Generate Keys. You need to copy the main key here and paste it into box A value. Then go back to the tool, click OK here, copy the backup key, and paste it into box B value of the Bitcoin recovery application. Ignore the error messages here, this will not affect your recovery process. In the box C value, you need to paste your reference key. Copy it from your account and paste it here. In the destination address, enter the wallet address you want to send your recovered Bitcoin to. Currently, it only supports legacy Bitcoin addresses that start with A1 and SegWit addresses that start with A3. Leave wallet passphrase empty as it is. Leave the address scanning factor at the default value of 20. Now you can click the Recover Funds button. This may take some time, please be patient. Once successful, a JSON file will be downloaded. Open this file. For Windows, use WordPad, and for Mac users, open it in TextEdit. When you open it, search for transaction hacks and copy it. You only need the numbers, do not copy the quotation marks. To broadcast your transaction, in other words, to send your Bitcoin, click on the link here, paste your transaction hacks, and click on Broadcast Transaction. The transaction ID will be provided, and you can track the transaction. Once you have received the Bitcoin at your external wallet, you can contact Nuri customer support to delete your old Nuri vault. And once the wallet has been deleted, you can create a new Nuri vault. And you can send Bitcoin from your external wallet back to your new Nuri vault.